Hello friends, today we will be learning word problem on area and perimeter of squares. Before that, let's look at the formulas we'll be using. To find the area of a square when given side length, use side times side. To find the side length of a square when given area, use square root of the area. To find the perimeter of a square when given side length, use 4 times side. And to find the side length when given perimeter, use perimeter divided by 4. So let's look at the question. The side length of a square is 15 meters. Calculate the area of a field. So first thing, we draw the square, as you can see. And don't forget, we're told that the side length is 15 meters. So the area equals side times side. So we're told that one of the side length is what? 15 meters. So I'm writing 15 meters times 15 meters. And that is going to give 15 times, that's 225 meters squared. So don't forget meter times meter, that's that. So let's go to question number 2. The area of a square is given as 196 centimeters square. Find the length of one of its sides. So we'll draw our square. So don't forget, the area of the square is 196 centimeters square. So area. So you need to, let me draw this properly. Okay. So area equals 196 centimeter squared. So the question asks us to find the length of one of its sides. So to find length, don't forget, that will be square root. Length equals to square root of the area. So that's what I'm writing, square root of the area. So our length equals square root of 196 centimeter squared. And if you find it difficult to find the square root of 196 centimeters squared, you can use your prime factorization method to find the square root of 196 centimeters squared. Of course, you should know square of numbers, but if you're finding difficult, use prime factorization method. You will get your answer. So the square root of 196 centimeters square equals 14 centimeters. So that is that. Let's move to the next question. The perimeter of a square. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 9 centimeters. So let's draw our square. Okay, sorry, let me draw this properly. Okay, so this is our square. Perimeter. We have to find a perimeter. So all the sides of a square are equal to each other. So I'm writing 9 centimeters all the sides. So another 9 centimeter, writing it there, then 9 centimeter here, and 9 centimeters. So perimeter is addition of all sides. However, we have the formula for calculating the perimeter of a square, which is equals to 4 times one of the side. So which is equal to 4 times one of the side there is 9. So times 9 centimeters. And that is going to give us 4 times 9. That's 36 centimeters. So if you don't want to do that, you can just add all the side, since perimeter is addition of all the sides. So I'm adding 9 centimeter plus 9 centimeters plus 9 centimeters plus 9 centimeters. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is going to give us 36 centimeters. All right. So let's move to the next question. A square photo frame has a perimeter of 80 centimeters. What is the length of one of the sides of the photo frame? So I'm going to draw the square. It's always good to sketch out your diagram. So draw the square. I'm given the perimeter of a square, which is 80 centimeters. So the question asked me to find the length of one side. So length equals to perimeter divided by 4. So you see 4 has 4 equal sides. So, oh, sorry for that. I think I still drawn the shape. So to find the perimeter of this, so we are dividing 80 by 4. To find the length. So length equals 80 centimeters divided by 4. Then we divide 4 here, 1, 4 in 80, that's 20. So the length equals 20 centimeters. So that's 80 divided by 4. That's 20 centimeters. So that is our length. So this is how we can use the formulas given above to find what problem involving squares, area of square, and perimeter of square. So keep practicing and you get better. All right. If you have any question, please drop question on the chat box. See you in the next episode.